sanctuary island. That's where
Hilutungan, so the marine safari is also Hilutungan.
that's where we are today, coming out for a bit of a dive, having a look. This is our boat and our group of about 18 people. Guy on the helm down there, all pretty good.
This is the sanctuary here, the beginning of the sanctuary, so you've got to be inside it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Leave me the fish now.
Yeah, the boats cost us about 3,500 pesos, probably 120 bucks. Gee, the water looks beautiful down there, clear as. And costs us, what is it, 100, 200 pesos, $6 each to go swim in this sanctuary. It's probably a bit like Goat Island in New Zealand maybe, except that you don't need a wetsuit. The water is very warm. Go down.
I think it's not bad. I tried out. No, it was in my pocket. Hit somewhere, vibration. There was no damage. Well, you can swim along. Normally they herald the time. Normally they come out in the boat. We'll put him up on that sanctuary first.
Because sanctuary they also do something great. They're supposed to do something great. So the money should come to the right place.
They do in the beginning, but then later on. I will tell him again who's the best 7 words. Clean up the toothpaste.
Is that what you meant to do?
Put toothpaste on it rather than stop it from. Boys do that every 6 months or so. They get a problem especially.
So it looks like a scam with this money, yeah?
I wouldn't worry about it too much, it'll sort itself out.
You're not paid up from, you know?
Yeah, probably the bad way to do it. Yeah.
Yeah, but if that's the sanctuary.
Yeah, there are life jackets on the boat. Yep. Yep. Okay, try that. It will be tight. Okay. Where's the sandwiches? I was going to put the sandwiches in the chili bin to keep cool. Okay. Now you want to try this, Jess? Okay, put that on. Yeah, it just clips on, so put your goggle on. Is that red light still flashing, Matt? Hard to tell, but yeah, always look so far away on the GoPro. You ready under the water?